Guys, the way I eat lollipop is... Hey guys, this is your Chetan and welcome back to the new vlog. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I have dropped down to Yelahanka Bagalur Road, a place where I have dropped down a Sampige Biryani. So this is a multi-cuisine family restaurant, I heard. So inside what and all is available, I really don't know. So let's go inside and check out what is so special of this Sampige Biryani. Here is Mr. Srinivas. He is the hotel owner of Sampige Biryani. Sir, ಈ ಹೋಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್?
ಸರ್, ಈ ಹೋಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕನ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ, ಮಟನ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ,
ಓಕೆ,
ಚಿಕನ್ ಫ್ರೈ, ಮಟನ್ ಫ್ರೈ, ಮುದ್ದೆ, ಮಟನ್ ಚಾಪ್ಸ್ ಊಟ,
ಓಕೆ,
ಪ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್. ಪ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಪಕೋಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾಟಿ ಸ್ಟೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮಸಾಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
Okay.
ಫಿಶ್ಶು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಂಜಲ್ ಫಿಶ್ಶು,
ಓನ್ಲಿ
ಅಂಜಲ್ ಫಿಶ್ಶು,
ಓಕೆ,
ಮಸಾಲ, ಮಟನ್ ಚಾಪ್, ಫ್ರೈ, ಚಿಕನ್ ಕಬಾಬು, ಲಾಲಿಪಪ್ಪು, ಚಪಾತಿ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತವರೆಗೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ?
ಸರ್, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 11:30 3:30ವರೆಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ 6 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ 11 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೂ.
11 ಗಂಟೆ, ರಾತ್ರಿ 11
ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೂ.
ಸ್ವಿಗ್ಗಿ ಝೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೂ 1 ಮಂತಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಇನ್ನೂ 1 ಮಂತ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಔಟ್ಡೋರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಂಗು, ಈ ಮದುವೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗಳು, ಬೀಗರು ಊಟಗಳು, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಸುಮಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಸರ್.
ಕೇಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ತಗೋತೀರಾ? ಇವಾಗಲೂ ಕೇಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ತಗೋತೀರಾ? Guys, if anyone is looking out for catering, then definitely you can place an order from this guy. I'm gonna be mentioning his number in the description. And one more important point is, every Sundays they are gonna be serving early morning mutton biryani, chicken biryani and rest of the starters also, except oil fry. And even leg soup, idli is also available early morning at 7 o'clock. Only Sundays, 7 o'clock they are gonna be opening their restaurant. Guys, I have got chapati and so many starters. From that, I'll start with mutton fry. The garam masala taste is quite dominating, and slightly they have used soya sauce in this to sort this mutton fry. And they have used lot of curry leaves and onion also. That onion taste and garlic taste and rest of the garam masala and coriander powder taste is quite dominating. And they have used Kashmiri chili powder for this color, and the pieces are really very damn soft and tender. Guys, the fat has completely dissolved in this mutton fry. It's giving amazing taste. Let me try last and final one piece of mutton and some curry leaf in this. I am in love with this mutton fry, guys. Here comes up with royal chicken. They have put Guntur chili for this. Chicken is really very soft and tender. The masala has completely entered inside the meat. Slightly they have used tomato puree for this, and lot of Guntur chili powder. Bit spicy, taste wise amazing. Guys, here is something very unique name, lovely chicken fry. So seems to be like Kshatriya, but on top I can see some coriander leaves, curry leaves. Is all completely been stick to the batter and chicken. Let me try this out. The wings are damn juicy. The meat is really very soft and tangy because they have used curd for marinating. This lovely chicken, the outside corn flour is not so thick and the masala has been completely entered well. They have left this chicken for a quite long period of time for marination, and while mixing the masala they have used curry leaves, coriander leaves and some garlic, onions and even chili also. So that has got completely stick to this chicken. It is giving an amazing taste, but taste wise something very unique, and even name is also very unique. In oil fry kebab they have two different items. One is chicken lollipop and one more is chicken kebab. So let me try this chicken lollipop. I love chicken lollipop to the core, guys. Just look at this, how the garlic has got completely stick to this kebab batter. Really very crisp. Corn flour is not so high. It's a bit spicy, but taste amazing. Even that garlic taste is coming when I'm chewing this chicken lollipop. Guys, the way I eat lollipop is in house also I eat same way, outside also I eat same way. Finally, end of the day I'm becoming fat. Everyone is commenting. Here comes up with Andhra style chili chicken. Let me take a piece of chicken. This would be my favorite, guys. They have chopped the chilies and even they have grind this green chilies and they have poured this in this. Just look at this chili flakes. The complete green spiciness will be next level. Taste wise amazing for sure. Moreover, for this chili chicken they have used with skin chicken. They have boiled this chili chicken for a quite long period of time. You just need to pull this, the bone gets separated and meat gets separated. Let me try this gravy with this chapati. Gravy is not so thick, but spiciness is crazy. Guys, I'm sweating crazily after eating this chili chicken. It is so damn spicy. Here comes up with Anjal fish fry. It's soft, fresh, slightly tamarind has been used, tanginess is there, and the masala has completely entered inside the meat. Let me squeeze some lemon. For fish, tamarind and lemon is must and should, or else the enjoyment won't be there. I'm gonna be finishing this full fish and then catch you up, people, because no one will eat fish in my batch. And one more best part of this Anjal fish fry is this won't be having so much of bones. Even kids can also eat this, and spiciness is also not so high. Moreover, the color is quite dominating when you see, but this is actually Kashmiri chili. They haven't used any types of artificial colors in this. Here comes up with Karnataka's famous dish, ragi mudde and mutton chops. This is must and should in Gowder Mane. Let me break this mudde. Let me press this, dip this in mutton chops properly, and wow, The mudde is really very soft. Mutton chops is not so spicy as I expected. And one more thing is they have put rice in this mudde. So this type of mudde is made only at house. Why they use rice in mudde? Because the mudde has to be soft. And slightly ghee taste is also there when I'm eating this ragi mudde. Let me try this mutton chops piece. I've got a bone. It's soft, very soft. And this chops juiciness is also entered in this meat. Just look at this, how it's getting separated. The mudde was hot itself when they served me, but now it has become cold because I am eating late. When it was hot only, if I would have eaten, it would have tasted even more good. Now the task is, I have to break this bone and remove this bone marrow so that I'll get to know that mutton is tender or not. With the meat, we don't get to know. When we bite this bone, we'll get to know. All the best, Chetan. One minute, guys. It is very tender. The bone got completely broke. Now let me pull this out. It came off. Only this much was there, guys. Cheating. People, whoever is gonna be ordering this mutton chops, if you people are not feeling that this mutton chops is not spicy, then you can order chili chicken. Then definitely next day morning, full chili chicken. Guys, last and final one, mutton biryani. So I've got how many pieces? Let me count that first. 4 pieces of mutton. Only 4 pieces of mutton and lot of rice. Let me give some mix. And mutton though, again and again, I don't want to keep saying, it's really very tender and it's hot also. Rice is tasting well. It's not dry also. And if people feel dry, then definitely they can use this gravy and give a mix. Yes, it's tasting good. Guys, they have used chili puree and lot of garam masala and even palau spices, so it's tasting a bit spicy. Cinnamon and cardamom taste is also there in this biryani, and bit of coconut is being used. That's because the mutton has to cook well. The people, whoever biryani lovers are available in my subscribers or my viewers list, then Sunday early morning you can drop down here and try biryani. But bit spicy I felt. Maybe after eating so many starters, I'm feeling spicy. But taste wise, amazing. Zing zing. Guys, finally I'm done with my food. My stomach is completely filled with food. So much of mutton and chicken. The masala, whatever they have used in their food, it's all like their own masala which they have prepared in their kitchen itself. So I just felt that I'm eating at house itself. The spiciness was not so much in any dishes except the chili chicken. As name is, the dish has to be, so they have used lot of chilies in that. And leaving that biryani also, I felt bit spicy. After eating so much of food, I need one sweet bida. I will go to that bida shop and I will buy some bida for myself. If I find cold bida though, I would be the happiest guy. Finally, I have got only one cold bida. He had only one cold bida. He gave me that. On top of that, they have put nariyal and some other ingredients. I don't know what they have put, but he told taste will be really good. Try it out. Let me taste this out. It's coconut and milk powder, nariyal and doodh ka powder. It's very cold. Gulkan is completely filled inside that bida. After eating so much of spicy food now, this is something good for digestion as well as for stomach coolness. Anyhow guys, I'm gonna be mentioning the price list and location in the description part. Catch you up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care. See ya.